Good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a new phonics rule for reading. So we're going to be looking at words that have the sound that we hear in the word call. So that aw sound, we're going to be looking at words that have that aw sound. And some spelling patterns that follow that aw sound are A, AW, AU, AUGH, and AL. So these spelling patterns follow that ah, 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 ah sound. For example, if I have the word ball, then that ah, we have that ah sound. Ooh, this word's a little bit longer. Talking. So we have talking. This one's tricky because you look at that L and that K and you're like, oh, talking. But we don't say talking. I was talking to you the other day. If you look at our spelling pattern, when we have the A and the L together, it makes that ah sound. So this A and this L only make one sound and it sounds like ah. So if we were to break it down, it would say talking, talking. That L is silent. We don't hear it. Talking, talking. Another word that we have is haul. Haul means to like pull something. Haul. And here we have that AU sound. Haul. So we have AU. Haul. Read it with me. Haul. And then another one is saw. This saw can mean different things. It could be like, I saw you the other day, I saw you at the park, I saw you at school. Or it could mean like a saw, like when you saw something, like the tool that's used to cut up wood. Saw. So this has two sounds. Saw. And then we have the word salt. Salt. So we have that spelling pattern AL. So when we see that AL, actually, this one doesn't follow that A. This is just A. Salt. Salt. And then we have, this is a longer one, taught. If I were to just look at this, I'd be like, what does that say? But this doesn't have very many sounds because we know AUGH. So this whole part, AUGH, sounds like ah. So we have three sounds. T, ah, t, taught. T, ah, t, taught. Like, the teacher taught me how to add taught. All of this makes one sound and it's ah. Okay, I'm going to wipe these and we're going to write more words that we can practice with that ah sound. So I'm going to rewrite some of the ones that we had. We have ball, talking, hall, saw, taught, fault, smallest. And then we have yawn, also, pause, and daughter. Okay, we're gonna highlight those sections that follow this phonics rule so that we can read these a little bit easier. So we have ball, and this is an A, not a U. Ball, so we have aw, b, aw, oo, ball. And we said talking, that A and that L sound like ah, talking. Over here we have hall, so that A and that U sound like ah, ooh, hall. It has three sounds, ooh, hall. And then we have saw, AW makes that ah sound, so we have two sounds, saw. Taught, okay, AUGH sounds like ah, so we have three sounds, taught. Okay, fault, AU sounds like ah, so we have we have four sounds there, fault, fault, and then we have smallest. We have that all, smallest. We have all est. So if we break that down, it's all est, smallest. Then we have yawn, AW, yawn. We have three sounds there, yawn. Also has that A sound, also, also. Pause, AU, z. That E doesn't make a sound, so technically we have three sounds there. Pause. This means like pause that video, stop, pause. And then finally we have daughter, AUGH. This whole section sounds like ah. Daughter. Daughter. So let's go over these one last time. You repeat after me. Ball, talking, hall, saw, taught, fault, smallest, yawn, also, pause, daughter. Okay, so remember this week we're looking at those spelling patterns that have that ah sound.